Hey everyone, I wanted to show you what we made in the Academy today. We created a cozy book journal. So we used the Creative Studio to create all of our assets. And then I just told it to create each one from that page individually so they would be easier to um, clip into individual items and upscale. So we did that. And then we came to Image Up and upscaled all of those images. And then we went to our asset pack creator, uploaded all of those asset pack sheets, selected each individual item on each sheet, processed them into individual items, and downloaded them. Then we used Image Up again to remove the background, and then we ended up with all the transparent PNGs that we needed. So we took those over to the new GPT, which is Collection Factory, and told it that we wanted to create this reading journal, and it gave us font collections, page layouts, everything we needed to create the product. So that is how we created this sweet little reading journal. Printable, instant download. So it's cute, cute. So if you haven't joined the Academy, these are the kinds of things that we're creating, and the Academy members get a Canva template link to this. And we do a tutorial and create a product every week. And if you are not interested in the Academy and you just want this journal, then there's a link in my in the description to my Etsy shop, which only has this one product in it because I just do one product a week, and then it's PLR and I only sell 25 copies. So it's all PLR. You do not get the Canva template link. The Etsy listing is for a complete PDF. There's, you know, no editing. You don't get the Canva template link. You get the Canva template link and you can edit all of this in the Academy. So I hope to see you guys there.